Okay, welcome back to the next driving series. I'm here at William Drive in the Hamilton and I'm heading towards the quarter. So I checked all the blind spot and then mirrors and then signal right, and then I move from here. So I'll go slowly from this junction. I'll be turning right. So I'll see the traffic from both sides. No one is coming, so I'll turn smoothly now. So from the junction ahead, I'll be turning left. So there's no one coming, so I can enter the road. Okay, the signal ahead is red, so I'll drive in a normal speed. See, if I drive in a normal speed, there is sometimes if the green signal is about to come, then you don't have to stop there. So if you are racing towards the red signal, and then just go and stop and again start. So it's always better not too slowly, because if there is a traffic behind, maybe they will be irritated. So just check, in case like if there is no traffic behind you, then you can do in your own speed, like a little bit slowly, not like a reasonably too slowly, but at least you can manage. Like, you don't have to raise a speed limit and run there and just go and stop and just again start and move. So it's similar like here in the roundabout, just slow down if some vehicle are passing, or so you can adjust your speed, so from here you can see the countryside road started, and there is a national speed limit applies sign here. So as this is a single carriageways, the speed limit for cars is 60 mile per hour. So but that's the maximum speed limit, and in this road, nobody can reach that speed because the road is bend and then has a lot of bends. See here, there is a bend and the road is not that good, so I come down to 30 speed limit. So as you can see, there is a reduced speed now. Boards are written because there are some farms over here and some large vehicle may need to enter and exit the road, so you have to be big careful with these things. So I'll slow down so I can avoid the hazards in the roads, in the corner side of the roads you can see there is a lot of damages in the road. So whenever there is a straight line and no vehicles are coming, so you can see ahead, then you can adjust up to here, and in the bend you have to be in your side just in case like somebody is coming from the opposite side, and even if they are coming towards your lane and you are going towards their lane, there will be a problem. So here the speed limit is back to 30 as we are approaching the residential area, and we are just near to the quarter now. So from the next junction I'll be taking right. So right mirror and center mirror, right signal. I'll position towards the center line and then slow down and then have a smooth turn. So you can see ahead there is a signboard for 20 speed limit, as this is a school area here. Although the schools are being closed now, I think it's for Easter holidays or something, but still, like, I'll follow the speed limit here. So this is such a lovely place. Water is such a lovely place to be. Like, it's a very quiet out of the city noises and crowd. It's such a lovely place to be. Okay, so this journey will end here, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good time.